Alrighty guys, as you can see, we're loaded and ready to go pulling. This one's for all my Oliver friends out there. I believe this one has a 360 Mopar in it. It's what you call a pretty heavily modified Oliver. I gotta head to the pull around. I think I'm supposed to be there at 6 o'clock. I am not pulling this tonight. I'm sure I could if I want, but I have a thing with driving other people's stuff and breaking it. So I haven't got the guts to drive it yet, but yes, just to show there is the shift pattern. It is still Oliver for the most part. Yeah, I guess it says right there 360 Mopar. So I am going to be heading out of here in a little while. The pull, and I will video all of the tractors pulling, or all of this guy's tractors pulling, and probably the ones that pull in his classes. The owner of this tractor has, I don't know, 5 or 6 of these, and then they have a tractor that pulls NTPA. If any of you follow NTPA, Rat Poison, it's the one that has the twin Allison aircraft engines on it. They are part owners on that, or half owners, with Brian Diekman out of Ohio. And I'm trying to figure out a way to try and get the footage off Facebook on to YouTube. The guy that owns it, or the guys that own it, they would like more videos of it on YouTube, but I haven't figured out how to do that yet. So they're going to try and email me the videos of it and see if I can upload them to YouTube that way. But yeah, so we're loaded up and ready to roll. Like I say, I'll get footage of these guys pulling tonight, and for all of you Oliver lovers out there, I want to make a video here in the yard where you can see a little bit better. Once we get to the pole, things get a little crazy there. So anyways, yeah, stay tuned. I want to show this today. I won't get any video of the poles until tomorrow, uploaded. So for all of you Oliver fans out there, stay tuned, and I'll get some footage of this guy pulling tomorrow. Thanks.